What's up, everyone? This is the Microsoft Surface Pro 4, and it is truly a tablet that can replace your laptop. Incredibly powerful and light, Surface Pro 4 handles the toughest tasks with ease. It weighs a mere 1.73 pounds and has a stunning 12.3-inch Pixel Sense display with extremely high contrast and low glare to reduce eye strain. This device has a 6th gen Intel Core i5 processor, a 4 GB of RAM, and a 256 GB SSD storage. A premium magnesium casing with just two physical buttons, which are the volume and power. It's also got a full-size USB 3.0 port, a micro SD card reader at the bottom of the kickstand, a mini display port to project to external displays, a Surface Connect which is nothing but a wireless charging port for your Surface, and also a cover port which is at the bottom of the Surface where you attach your keyboard cover. The various sensors which makes it even more awesome are an ambient light sensor, an accelerometer, and a gyroscope. And one of my favorite features of the Surface Pro 4 is Windows Hello, which allows you to log in with your fingerprint and also another option where it detects your face to log in. Attaching the type cover is super simple as it just connects to your Surface with magnets. It automatically turns into PC mode when it detects the type cover. The Microsoft Surface Pro 4 runs on Windows 10 Pro, receiving frequent updates from Microsoft. And Cortana, of course, is an amazing feature to play with, as it gives you frequent weather updates, reminds you about things you need to do, and integrates with your mail, calendar, and lots more. I'm pretty satisfied with the battery performance as it gives me 3 to 4 hours of continuous usage.
Launch camera.
Sure thing. Opening camera.
It sports a 8 megapixel rear facing autofocus camera with 1080p HD video recording, stereo speakers, and stereo microphones as well. Windows Hello Face Sign In camera is the front facing camera with 5 megapixel 1080p HD video recording. The Surface Pen feels as good as pen on paper, with precision ink on one end and an eraser on the other. Also, you can rest your hand on the screen as you write just like you would naturally. It changes the way you interact with your Surface. It opens up a world of creativity and productivity. It's also got 1024 levels of pressure sensitivity and connects to your Surface via Bluetooth, and it is battery powered as well. You can also double click the button on top and take a screenshot of the surface. You can then make notes on it, do some drawings and stuff. Pressing and holding the button on top will launch Cortana, which is even more smarter now thanks to the updates by Microsoft. I just love using my Surface in tablet mode, and getting there is as simple as this. And there you are, tablet mode. The touch screen is super responsive and the apps just come up on the screen without any lag. Even without a keyboard attached, typing on the Surface is very convenient. There are four ways you can do this. The one I use the most is the split keyboard when I'm holding my Surface with both hands. Remember the stereo speakers I was talking about? They come with Dolby Audio and are of premium build. Let's give it some ears.
Sorry, I ain't got no money.
Turn
I'm
up
not
again.
trying to be funny, but I left it all at home today. You can call me what you wanna. I ain't giving you $1 this time. I ain't gonna run away. You might knock me down, you might knock me down, but I will get.
The Intel Core i5 processor has HD Graphics 520 built in. Let's take a look at a video that I recently downloaded.
Oh, baby.
This is a star-studded.
Line up the models, we got one life. So let's go out till the day we die. No broken hearts in the club. More drinks, pour it up.
If any of you are looking forward to buy a Surface Pro 4, I would definitely recommend it as it is a great device and is truly a tablet that can replace your laptop.